Now you have your final list of product ideas. So we've been through the viability and profitability sections and have trimmed down the list accordingly based on what passes or doesn't pass for criteria. And now you'll have a list of the best ideas, the best products, the ones which have the most potential. Now, at this point, you will need to pick out 3 product choices to move forward with for the remaining parts of the research. Now, this should be, hopefully clear by looking at the traffic data, the audience size, the profit per unit, how well a product is selling on Amazon, how many reviews a particular product or competing products have. And so, don't discard, your other product ideas because, you'll most likely want to come back to them. But for now, you would just need to choose 3 products to move ahead with. If you have any trouble in deciding what these are going to be, then, you can contact me and I can definitely help in this area.